guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove a repost on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple on how to remove a repost video on Snapchat. So we'll start by clicking on our Snapchat app like this, and you click on this triangle below your screen, your spotlight. Yeah, just like this, and this is a video I actually reposted, so just click on it to remove the repost, and you can just repost and remove. So you just go to your profile and scroll down a little bit. So this is where all your repost video are being kept, so you just click on this just to remove. Yeah, just like this. So you have actually removed this video you reposted, and that's just how to remove a reposted video on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.